Check out my village. Isn't it beautiful? Huh? Wait until we get home. I will take you to the village stream. You will love the experience.
Wow. Baby, your village is so nice.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I just can't wait to call it my home.
Oh yeah? Okay.
And I'll be visiting her more frequently.
And you know what? My mom said that anyone that I'll bring home as my wife must constantly visit her in this village.
Baby, that's not a problem.
Okay.
Whenever I find myself in a village like this, it feels so good.
Okay.
Yes, due to my work, I don't normally have the opportunity to visit my hometown. So I'll be glad to always visit your mom.
I love that. Wow.
Yeah, only if you be giving me bush meat.
And palm wine. And unkwabi. And abacha.
Baby, please.
And don't worry, I will spoil you. I will show you what my village is made of.
I just can't wait.
Look at my people, you know, they're so vibrant, you know.
Sleeping, right? It's 12 p.m. and you're still in my house sleeping. Do you know how many things I've done this morning? Please wear this your useless clothes and pay me my money so you can leave my house at once. Don't delay me.
Hey. So money don't even come, sir. I don't even know.
No, na night, na ain't come. I pay me, make you come, they go.
Say my they go.
Now make you stay.
Yeah, I beg you, I'm not going to
turn up for it. You dey craze. You dey smoke igbo for nyash. With this propeller where you carry for nyash, I won't do again. I don't do finish. If you know what thing do for you, just count my money. The one where you do yesterday night, the one where you do early panya or where you say code they catch you, and the one you're supposed to pay for hotel was supposed to be 8K. I know for one day with my friends come meet you for this place. Don't they tell me all those long stories? I beg. Waiting I day now pay as you go. I beg, pay me my money. I dey craze. You want me to pour water? Go pour for your face.
Just allow me. Just I get money there. Allow me now, just do one.
What you can? I beg, pay me this small money. Now you want count. What you want count for inside this small money?
This money is plenty money. You know, you give me transport.
Take 1,000. Take your time with you. Wear your clothes. Shut up. I know one day my friends come meet you this place. So when they come be like, say I can't they do. I don't they do home service.
This thing where you do no good though. 1,000.
This thing where you carry for now is too much. This thing where they your waist is too much. See injure me.
Hey, welcome. Welcome, my channel. Welcome.
Samson, Mama. You mean this is the woman you want to marry?
Yes, Mama.
Yeah.
She's the beautiful woman I want to get married to.
Yeah.
Her name is Lorita.
So, Sam, you have finally agreed to bring a wife for me. After all the begging and pleading.
Mama.
God bless you. Thank God. I don't know. You know, my son wants to marry.
Yes, my dear. I see.
Welcome.
Hey. Why not take her inside?
Okay, Mama.
Okay.
Thank you very much, Mama. I'm so happy.
Welcome. Come, let me take you inside.
Mama.
Okay. Oh, look at my baby sister. Ah, you look good.
Mother, welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Auntie, welcome. Thank you.
Welcome.
Yeah. Baby, your house is nice.
Oh, thank you, darling. Thank you. Okay. That's my fiancée, Rose. Rose, my baby sister, Oge. Where is Mama? Mama!
Mama went to Brother Samson's house. But wait, you mean she's your wife to be?
Oh yes. Don't worry, you two will get time to get acquainted, okay? Get into the booth, bring some things out, okay? Then rush and go and call Mama. Let me show her around. Here's the key. Tell her her favorite son is home, okay? Baby, come, let me show you around. So this is my family.
Baby, why is your sister staring at me like that?
She likes you. Don't worry.
Sure?
My family will love you. Don't worry. You know, our land, the food.
Hey, Haruna, my sister, what do you want me to do now? Eh? What do you want me to do now? You know, this is the first time my son is bringing back a girl that he wants to marry. I have been persuading him to settle down all this while. What will I do now? I'm tired though. I am very, very, very hopeless in this matter.
Nedere, you are his mother. Talk to him. Look at the girl he brought home.
Hey.
Eh? Look at the trouser that girl is wearing. Look at how she painted her mouth.
Hey.
The most annoying part of it is that she opened her nose and put a earring.
Earring, girl.
Other people are opening ears and putting earring on the ear. Her own is on the nose. Eh? Meaning that she's a typical prostitute. Hey, Nedere, please, do something. Do something. As I see that girl, nothing good will come out of her. Nothing good at all. Have I given you advice before and it failed you?
No.
Hey. Devil, see cross.
Cross.
Devil, see cross.
Cross. I know you've not given me any advice that failed me. That is why I'm worried. You know my son is a very stubborn person. I don't want this girl to bring problem between us.
It's better bring go. Nedere, allow that problem to come for you to save yourself. Better for you. What are you saying? Let your son not bring a girl that will kill you in this house.
God forbid.
Eh? What is your problem? Look at all these city girls. Most of them don't have womb anymore.
Hey.
Eh? You have to fight this marriage.
I will fight it.
You have to.
I will fight it.
My son cannot try it with me now. He can't bring in a girl that is like this in my house. Else we die, yo.
Hey.
I can't take it. Ask her a simple catechism now, she will not answer you. You have to fight. Fight.
I will fight.
With all your strength.
I will fight.
Fight.
I will fight.
Hey. What is it? Can you proudly present this girl now to the CWO women and tell them that this is my daughter-in-law? You know you can't do it now. They will all laugh at you.
Laugh at me.
See Chibike's wife. Very nice girl. Obuzi Okechukwu's wife. Wonderful, God-fearing. Then your son went to the city that bring down Gongoro.
Hey!
Akuchie. And bring her. Akwere for the refo.
Retired prostitute.
Nedere mba no.
Hey!
Ekwensu cross.
Cross.
Ekwensu cross.
Cross.
This one will be enough for Baba to buy the farming tools he requested for. And my sister's school fees. I'll keep this for myself. God help me, because I will do anything humanly possible to make sure they are comfortable, to make sure they feed well. It's my responsibility, and I will live up to it. Let me quickly come and dress up and head to the villagers. Oh, that reminds me, I'm supposed to see Chief of Millions. That has to be when I'm back from the village. Is this okay? Yeah, ready. I'll leave.
This is my late uncle's uncompleted building. So I intend to finish it and then raise the wall here and put a gate.
That's right.
For his family before I start out. Huh? Mama!
Nabo.
Mama the mama.
Okay, please.
Mama the mama.
Mama,
good to see you. You look good.
Even you.
Hey.
It's your morning.
Yes, I can see my money on you.
Living in your
Mama,
money.
you are chopping my money.
I dey chop am.
Oh, I miss you, Mama.
I really missed you, my dear. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You didn't even tell me you are coming.
Oh, Mama, I wanted to surprise you with a good news.
Meanwhile, I went to see Mama Samson.
Okay.
Yes, Samson brought home a lady he wants to marry.
Ah, that's nice. Okay. I will call him. He didn't even tell me he was coming home with his babe.
Meanwhile, Ogechukwu told me that you brought home your own girl too.
Mama, here is she. Mama, meet Rose. Rose,
Good afternoon.
meet my mother. Mama, Rose.
Ken,
Mama.
who is this? Huh? Hey! Ken, you sound funny. Wait, are you telling me that this is the girl you want to marry? The lady you brought home as my own daughter-in-law.
Mama, this is the woman I want to marry. I love her.
This bag of sand.
Mama?
Eh?
Mama, please, stop. Don't say that.
Ken, you are not serious. You brought home a lady that is old enough to be your mother. Eh? No. Ken, is she not Nenwa?
Mama, she's not Nenwa, please. Okay? Don't say that. Just stop. Alright? She's just big. Huh? You can call her plus size. And she's my spec. Mama,
your spec?
I love her.
Even with this pussy eye. Eh?
Mama, wait. Mama? Okay. Mama, wait now. Mama, wait. Look.
Wait.
Mama, she's not Akbaja. Eh? She's just big. Trust me, she's young. Very young. And she's my spec. Mama, calm down. Mama, please. Mama, please. You have to understand.
Auntie, I'm so sorry. Don't be angry with my mother. I'm so sorry.
Why does your mommy hate me?
It's because you are big everywhere now. She said you're big. You're
Am I that big?
Let me go and tell my mother. Let me tell her to calm down. Okay? Stop crying.
So, Mama, you want to borrow from Ken's mother, right? Eh? I will not let you do that to me. It will not work. Loretta is the woman I will marry. Period.
Mama, this is not right. This is not right. How could you even think of anything like this? Huh? Take a very good look at that lady. You will see that she's presentable. She has a nice character.
Doka, are you the one talking or somebody is talking to you? I will just give you back hand now. I'm no fear. Come, see, Sam, let me tell you. You see that girl, you will not marry her. I, your mother, have said it. You will not marry her. What are you saying? I am your mother. I gave birth to you and you must obey me. Wait, oh. Did you see the girl you even brought to me? Did you see her hair? It was touching ground. Oh. Did you see the one she was putting on her eye? Even the nose. Come back here. Sam, you better respect yourself. Oh. That you will not marry her.
Mama, it's none of your business.
It is my business, oh.
It's none of your
business.
It
is my business.
It's none of your business.
Ngwanu.
Eh? I knew it. I knew it. Immediately Mama Ken looked at her, I knew she would tell you something. I knew she would tell you something like this. Mama, as I'm seeing you, I'm seeing Mama Ken. I know you're not the one saying all this. Yes, as I'm looking at you, I'm seeing Mama Ken. But let me tell you, it will not work for me. Loretta is the woman I will marry. Whether you like it or not. You've been persuading me to get married. Now that I want to marry, you don't want to approve it. Eh? What is all this, Mama? Eh? Look at your daughter. Very soon she will enter a man's house. How will you feel if her mother-in-law starts treating her same?
I wonder. I just wonder. Eh? Mama, see, as for me, I like that lady. One, she is presentable. She is beautiful, tall, elegant. Did you see her pointed nose? She knows that she
Let me see you again. Come, let me tell you. You see that girl, you will not marry her. You will not marry her. Then I asked you to get me a wife. Didn't you see a holy wife to bring to me? Must you bring a shower to me for me to accept as a daughter-in-law? What is the problem?
What did I do to you? Why are you doing all this to me, Mama? Eh? What is it? Okay, it's okay. Let me go and call her out so that you tell her this to her face.
Mom! Better! Please go and call her. There is still time. She can enter the next available transport and go to wherever she's coming from. Because there is no marriage.
Mama?
She can start going.
She's not going anywhere, Mama. Stop telling me that. She's not going anywhere. Please, allow me. Okay. She's not going anywhere. What is it? Mama, people, go home.
We shall see. I am going to be here, Mama. Did you see a holy wife to bring for me?
Auntie, please stop crying. This is not fair.
Okay, you're my witness. This is the second time. Mama, I'm not happy. Oh.
I don't care whether you are happy or not. Yes, look at the girl you want to marry. Eh? Bia? Which church do you attend?
Mama, I'm a Catholic.
You see? The last one I brought home, you rejected her because she was not a Catholic. Now, I've been dating only girls from Catholic homes. She's Catholic, Mama. That should make you happy.
Look, Ken, you talk as if I am wicked. You talk as if I'm trying to be wicked on you. But it's not true. I am doing all this for you, just for your own good. What is baptism?
Mama, are you asking me about catechism?
Yes, catechism time, answering time. What is baptism and what is confirmation? Since you are a Roman Catholic.
Mama, I can't remember. I can't remember those things.
Church Abasa. Church Yana. Oh, you call it those things. Those things. Okay. How many sacraments do we have in Catholic Church?
Mama, it's been long I did those things. It's been long. I can't remember.
Good. You can't remember. The same way you cannot remember them, please use that same way to forget my son. Eh? Yes, Ken, you will not marry her.
Mama, you're testing me. You're testing me, oh. I've had enough of this. Baby, get up, let's go. What nonsense? How can I come home to my family and my mother who wants to make my life a living hell? Nonsense. You will not see me here again.
Just look at him.
Mama, see what you've caused. Will you choose a wife for him?
Look, I'm only doing this just to make sure that he marries a wife that will have the fear of God. Someone that will not kill my son. It's the only thing I have.
It's not by appearance, though, Mama. It's not by appearance. I don't even know the girl.
Mama, I'm sorry you see me this way. I've dated your son for years, and we love each other so much. Mama, I'm not a bad person. God knows I'm not a bad person. Forget my looks, forget all these things. I'm a Catholic just like you, please. Please, Mama.
Udoka, talk to your mother, oh. Yes, I said talk to your mother. Please, leave us alone. Leave I and my wife alone. What is all this now?
Yeah.
Eh?
Sam, are you the one talking or somebody is talking to you?
I'm talking to you.
You are very low. In fact, thank your gods that I'm wearing these chaplets. I would have used my right hand to close that mouth for you. Are you mad? Do you realize you are talking to your mother?
Mama,
eh?
now.
All these things I'm doing, it is because of you. I'm doing it for your sake.
Don't do anything for my sake, please. Leave my wife and I alone. Baby, stand up. Let's go. I said stand up. I will marry her, with or without your consent. Please.
Okay, Mama, please, I beg you in the name of God. This thing you're doing is not right. Why will you join Mama Ken now to treat brother like this? Eh?
One voice, I'm not here. When others are talking, you are talking.
Let's go.
Baby, no. We can't live like this. No. Mama. It's okay. If you don't want me to marry your son, I will go. I won't want you to be at war with your son because of me. I won't want to fight with my mother-in-law. No. It will hurt me if I don't marry him, but I won't die. I'm sorry. Thank you for everything. Baby, take me back to the seat.
Wait. It's not as if I hate you. Eh? I don't hate you. Why will I hate you? Have I seen you before? Eh? I'm just trying to be careful. All these things I'm saying is just to make sure my son does not marry a bad wife. What I want for him is just a holy wife. Why ain't there so? Eh? I don't hate you.
Mama, I'm your son. Have I failed you for once? Eh?
You've not failed me, oh.
I know what I want. I'm sorry for the way I talked to you. But please, let me marry her. She is the woman for me. Yes, she's the right woman for me. Please. I love her. I want to get married to her, please.
Mama, please, I beg you in the name of God in heaven. Eh? We've been living in peace all this while. We can't just be at war just because brother brought his wife to be. Eh? Mama, please just forget about all these things. Eh? Don't judge her by her physical appearance. For you to know how good someone is, it is from the heart, not by the physical appearance. Eh? Mama, please now.
It's okay. Hmm? I have accepted. You can stay.
Thank you, Mama. Mama, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much, Mama. I promise you won't regret it. Mama, thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Wait, I want to ask something. Very important question. Please, are you a Catholic?
Yes, Mama, I'm a Catholic.
No. There are things I came back to.
No. Sit down, eh?
Yeah? I don't know. Ichie, I'm tired. I'm fed up. I'm saying this for everybody to bear me witness. I don't know what I've done to Mama. There is nothing in this world I have not done to satisfy her. Huh? Look at the woman, the beautiful woman I brought home to show her as my wife. The woman I've chosen. Tell me what is wrong with her.
Nothing is wrong with that. She is a fine girl. As I'm petted. Why not? Eh? I don't know what your mother really wants.
I don't know myself. I don't. The last girl I brought home, she said she was dark, she was short and slim. Huh? That she couldn't push a baby.
Huh? It's not the laughing matter, but we are laughing over it.
Now I've brought home a plumpy, light-skinned woman. Huh? What did Mama do? Mama started questioning her religious belief. Asking her about catechism.
Catechism?
Catechism! Huh?
Yeah, please, someone take me out of here.
Baby, sorry. It's okay, alright?
Come back. Calm down.
You need to talk to my mother. I have done everything she wants me to do to satisfy her, but yet she's not satisfied. Never! And I'm tired. I'm tired.
My son, I'll talk to your mother. Immediately I finish talking with Mr. Onwoka, I will go to your house and talk to your mother. Eh?
Okay, sir.
Eh? You people will go.
We'll be on our way now.
Eh? You'll be on your way.
Mama Chobaya, Nemu Chorongwani Dinso, Mama Chobaya, Nemu Chorongwani.
My daughter,
Papa,
you're welcome.
Thank you.
Oh, look at you, so beautiful and shiny. Hey,
Papa,
this city is good for you.
To the glory of God, oh, Papa, I think you both are the ones shining.
Oh.
Yes, look at the way you're glittering like diamond. Eberechi, tell me the truth. What have you been feeding Papa with?
Sister, what else is not food?
Hey, don't mind her. It's just that I'm a jolly old fellow. I drink my palm wine and feel happy. You know.
Papa,
how is the city people you come from?
Papa, we are fine. No, the city is okay, but you know how the situation of the country is. It's not easy anywhere. It's not easy, but we'll be managing.
There is nowhere it is easy. If it is easy, it becomes a child's play. But how is your work?
Papa, my work is fine. I'm on a little break, so I decided to come and see you people and spend little time with you people.
Okay, you did well. You're welcome, my daughter.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you.
Sister, let me go and check what I'm cooking inside. If it's ready, let me bring for you so that you eat, okay?
Please, I can't wait to eat. I am very hungry.
Bring food for her. Don't waste time.
Eberechi, wait oh. This one you're dressed like this. I hope you're still very prayerful.
Yes, I do.
Yeah, I hope it comes with bread and my usual.
No. Forgive me for trying to stop you from marrying that girl you brought home. You know, ever since Rachael Okonkwo's daughter-in-law killed his son, we the mothers in this village are trying to be wise.
Mama, you people should please stop that. Eh? What happened was an accident that can happen to anyone. It wasn't the reason why Mama Ken was doing all she was doing. I know Mama Ken very well. She loves girls that go to church. Oya won't be. Eh? But little did she know that it's not all about going to church. If you come down to the city, you will see so many of them. There are so many girls that do attend to church every Sunday, even on midweek services and all that. They will come to church. At the end of the day, they will still do worse things. It's not about going to church.
I am not ignorant of all this that you've just said. That is why I want to make sure that the woman you will marry will not kill you for me. Eh?
Mama, no one will kill me.
Amen.
Loretta is a good girl. I love her. I've dated her for 3 years now. Mama.
3 years?
I never wanted to tell you. I've dated her for 3 years. So I know her very well. She's a good girl. Forget the way she dresses. Eh? Her dressing doesn't have anything to do with her lifestyle and character. She is hardworking. Eh? That won't stop her from doing all these home chores like cleaning and sweeping the compound and all that, and taking care of the husband. I know her, Mama. Please, she's the one I want to marry. Relax. If you mothers continue to judge girls by the way they dress, you make serious mistakes.
Sam, I've heard you. Eh? If truly all you have said about this girl is true, no problem. With time, I, your mother, will find out. I will know.
Mama, trust me now. I'm your son.
I don't want to lose you. It's not a matter of
Mama, Habibu. Are you not prayer warrior again? Trust me. Loretta is a good girl.
Lord, I say thank you for everything you've done for me.
No, baby.
Auntie.
You're cooking?
Yes.
Let me help you cook.
No. Auntie, don't worry. Hey, stand up. Auntie, stand up. Come and sit here.
Why? Oh, please. Brain, let me help you.
Auntie, don't worry yourself. I want to cook for you and your husband. So all you have to do is go inside and relax.
Udoka, I love to cook. So please, allow me.
Hey,
Let me cook for you so you confirm me.
The reason I don't want you to cook is I don't want my mother to think you're trying to please her. You know women with their sense of reasoning.
Udoka, I don't care.
Bring it.
I don't care. I know I love your brother so much. And nothing will make me happy than marrying him. If Mama thinks I'm pretending, no problem. It's okay. I'm being my real self. I'm being real the way God created me. If I'm to pretend, for how long? Till eternity. Udoka, I'm a lady. And I have a mother. I have brothers too. And someday they will get married. I won't want their wife to come into my family and start feeling bad. Maybe the way my mother is talking to them and all that. I want them to live in peace and love. That's all I pray for.
Auntie, if I must confess, I love your sense of decency and pragmatism.
Hey, God.
Come on, why are you laughing?
I didn't know you were a professor.
Oh!
Why? Your brother didn't tell me this, so.
You're so funny. You know, let me help you and put on the fire.
You don't need to do anything. I'll have to do everything by myself. So just allow me. Go inside and relax. I'll serve you myself.
Which is my command.
Mama Chobaya, Nemo Choro Wanye Nagamone Mas. Mama Chobaya, Nemo Choro Wanye Dinso. Mama Chobaya, Kedonye Makwano Wanye Dinso. Mama Chobaya, Ebeka Ekafu Wanye Dinso.
Come and eat, my daughter.
Eberechi, come.
Are you eating now? Should I get you?
Why did you serve Papa without meat?
Sister, we don't cook with meat. But there is no money to buy meat, that's wrong.
God. Papa, so this is how you people feel in this house?
My daughter, were you not the one who said that I was shining? Eating food without me, does it make me not to shine? I'm still shining.
God, when is this going to end? When?
Sister, it's okay. Stop crying, okay? It's okay. Anything that has beginning has an end.
Mama, are you crying because I'm eating without meat? No, stop that. Oh, stop that. I don't like it.
Baba, stop eating this food. Please. Rich, go and get my bag so you can take money and go and buy meat. I can't even eat this food like this.
No. This food is done already. I've started eating. Let me just finish it. By next time, maybe tomorrow, we prepare a better one with meat.
Papa is right. Tomorrow we'll cook with meat. Okay? Go and buy meat and cook.
Jill, what I've said, I've said. Until my son gets a good and God-fearing wife, I will not accept it.
For how long are you going to continue rejecting the girls he wants to marry?
As long as it takes to get a good wife. Yes. I've asked him to allow me get him a good girl. But he refused. So let him keep bringing until he brings the one that suits me.
Is it you that wants to get married, or brother?
I wonder. Eh? See, he's the one that's going to get married. Look, before you know it now, people will name us as family that rejects girls. And imagine what it will be like when Ogechi wants to marry.
What the hell? Mama, please don't ruin my chances of getting married. I beg you.
Let me tell you, whenever you want to marry, I must make sure that the man that you want to marry is a good man. If not, you will still face the same thing.
It's not fair now. I don't know. See, Ken is not happy now. And the girl is crying. It's not good though. She's somebody's daughter, you know.
Michel, her mother did not train her well. I trained my daughter very well. Common catechism that girl couldn't answer. What is baptism, child? What is confirmation? She said, I have forgotten them.
Do you expect her to remember what she was taught when she was younger?
Arune, you are funny. What is your problem? Is it that the girl is fat or the spiritual balance?
It's everything. You saw that girl now. Now say the truth. Does she look like someone that can still give birth to a child? No, tell me. Check her well. Fat has covered everywhere. Am I talking about her pussy eye? No. My son will not marry her. My son cannot marry a fair and a fatty girl.
Good. Mama, let me educate you on something. You see those eyes you're calling pussycat eyes? Mama, they are not pussycat eyes. They are sexy eyes. In fact, that's the kind of eyes that a lot of ladies will spend their last card in buying. Why am I even wasting my time educating you on this? What do you know?
Who taught you how to cook soup like this? This soup is very delicious.
Mama, it's not me that prepared the food, though. It's Auntie Loretta. She came to the kitchen and she said she wants to prepare it herself.
Wait, Loretta cooked this soup?
Yes, now.
Hey, thank God though. I never knew she could make food like this with all those long hair.
Mama, you see now. You see? You're supposed to be thanking God that God gave you such a good daughter-in-law. Let me go inside and eat my food. Hey! Mama,
you came at the right time. Can we call this one lunch or dinner?
My friend or anyone you call it, my wife just prepared the food for me. She said I should just have a taste of her cooking. Come and join me, let's eat.
Wait, so upon all I told you, you still allowed her to stay?
We'll discuss about that. Just come and sit down.
Leave me alone. Eat what? Food. The food she prepared with vulture fingernails. I don't know. We eat. Continue eating. When you finish, we talk.
You don't want to eat?
No, I'm not eating.
Just wait. Let me finish this food because this is not the kind of food I can allow to waste.
Eat. Be eating.
Just wait. Let me eat.
Eat.
Hey! This is for you.
Thank you. Yes, Papa.
Thank you. It's alright. Papa, I wouldn't want you people to feel the way you just felt this afternoon. You people were eating like prisoners without meat. That won't happen. Not when I'm still alive. I will do everything humanly possible to make sure you people are okay comfortable and fits well.
Okay. Thank you very much, my daughter.
You're welcome.
Please, I will use this money to pay for the debt we are owing in the church.
Papa, what debt are you talking about? As a retired catechist, you're not supposed to be paying debts in church. You told me you needed money for farming tools, and here you are talking about debts. Father, you know how we get this money. Things are not working out, so we have to manage ourselves.
It is not for me. It's for you and your sister.
Hey.
The Mary League people and the youth, they keep coming here demanding this money.
Papa,
for you.
It's okay. It's okay. Take. I'm sure this will be enough for you to pay for the debt and also get the farming tools. If you people need anything, don't hesitate to call me. But I wouldn't want to hear or see that you people are feeding without meat.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Okay, Auntie.
Iberechi. Papa, I have to be on my way.
Thank you very much.
Sister, I must still go this evening.
I have to. Because of the nature of my job, I need to leave. But if you put anything, just let me know. I'll be sending money from time to time.
Okay, now that we are going, let's just say a word of prayers, so that road be.
It's alright. In the name of the Father,
and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Mama, the kind of house I want to build in this town, if you see this house,
hey!
The problem I have now is just that here is very small. Here cannot contain the kind of house I want to build in this town. Mama, I'll go to that other land.
New land?
Yes.
There is no problem.
Please, I don't want to do all this job out of a thing. I'll go there and build a massive edifice so that people will see and believe, yes, I've made money.
No problem. But please, my son, before you start, we need to join our hands together as a family and pray against the evil ones. Makando Biaboson will not be happy.
Brother, what Mama said is true. There are some people that will be smiling with you. Don't know that within them, they are not happy.
They are not happy at all.
So we have to pray.
We need to pray.
Honey, Mama, let's go inside and pray. It's getting late and I'm feeling sleepy already.
Did you say let's go inside and pray?
Mama, let's go inside and pray. The word of God says that the family that prays together stays together. So let's go on and call on the Lord.
What are we waiting for now? Let's go and pray together now. Okay. Pray together. Dance together. Stay together. Go division. Hey! Thank you. Welcome.
Baby. How's your night?
You're already dressed up.
Oh yes, and
let me go make you food before you.
Oh no, I was actually going to come call you so that you can, get ready, and I'll drop you off before going to work.
Drop me off how? To my house or to my shop?
Your house, of course. Come on, baby, we've been through this. We've talked about this, okay? Let's not start again. I don't want to disobey my mom, okay? I might have problems. She actually called this morning to find out if you have left my house, but I told her that you were going to leave this morning, so...
Yes, you have suffered. Ken, so you are chasing me out of your house because you don't want to disobey your mom.
Come on, don't take it that way. Huh? Just look, anything you want, I will give you. Mention it.
Get lost. Mama's boy.
Oh no, don't. Look. You know, I mean, it's not my fault. Just calm down.
Baby, stop now. What's this now? You're making things difficult. Just stop already.
Stop complaining, shut up and sweep.
Baby, stop it now.
Shut up and sweep.
You're making this difficult for me.
Sweep. Sweep.
You're making it difficult for
Baby,
me.
please sweep. Or do you want me to come and help you?
Don't. Men don't sweep.
Mama.
Hey.
Mama, good morning.
Mama, good morning, ma.
Good morning.
How was the night?
Fine, no. And yours?
Fine, thank you.
Eh? You can sweep like this. Hey! Oh, my God, though. This one you are sweeping, where is Udoka?
She has gone to the street.
Okay. Let me go and see Mama Ken. I'm coming back.
Mama, I want to go and see Mazukachi later.
It's very important. Please try and go.
It's okay. Please help me and tell Ken that I'll see him later, okay?
They have gone, oh.
They've gone back?
Ha! The mother said he has gone back with the girl he came back with.
I see. Well, I'm not surprised. I know she has done it again. I go wine.
Let me go and see her.
Alright, Mom.
Take care. I'm coming soon.
Alright, Mom.
Take care. Oh.
Okay, Mom.
Calm down. Don't be angry. Huh? Calm down. Let me drop you.
I don't blame you. If I had gotten married when I'm supposed to get married, I won't be here talking this rubbish with you. Let your mom find someone to marry. You understand? When you were telling me to change styles, giving me positions, I should give you dog style. Monko style. You know, the missionary John. You didn't know you were going to disobey your mom. Alright now. I don't blame you. But let me tell you something. You see you and your mom, you will regret this. You will regret what you did to me.
Baby, why are you acting this way? Will you disobey your own mother? Oh. See what Mama has caused for me now.
Our mothers are not helping matters at all. My own mother is worse. She did not only insult that lady, she was also asking her catechism.
What? Your mother and catechism himself. What is she trying to say? Does she mean that any lady who can recite catechism is a nice person?
My prayer in this life is for God not to give me a mother-in-law like me.
Me too. Me too. Look at my brother. He doesn't even listen to my mother. He does whatever he wants to do. Even the lady he brought home to marry, she's a nice person. And no one treats her anyhow. Even though my mother wanted to object, you will not marry her, this one, that one. After the much pleading and all that, she said, like, she can wait.
Your own is good. The problem I have with my brother is, he does not have a say for himself. Anything my mother says, he concurs. What? Do you know this morning my mother called him and said, "Hey, Ken, I want you to chase that woman out from your house." What? Yes. She was saying, she was just shouting, "I want her out from that your house. I don't want to meet her in the city when I come." She just shouted. Let us go. My mother's on the street.
Wait, this has really gone out of hand.
Forget it. It's my brother that I blame. Let him stand his ground and say what he wants.
Now when she said that, what did you say?
Lady, why are you so dumb? You and I have been friends for long now, but you've learned nothing from me. Why?
My friend, what do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? You know my son is very, very stubborn. He's not like yours that is cool and obedient. They are not the same thing.
Then why are you his mother? Eh?
My friend, let's face the facts. You and I know that these girls we are talking about, we are not the ones to live with them, but our sons. We will only advise them as mothers and allow them make their choices.
That is your business, not mine. Then what you're telling me now is that you will allow your son to marry that girl. You can go ahead and do that. As for me, count me out. Kenneth, my son, will not even try it. Never. He can go ahead and marry that girl. If she comes in and beats you, fine. If she make a good wife for you, good. If she didn't, all for you.
I have used an eye of an elder. She's a very good girl. And I even forgot. Do you know that if you had tasted the food she cooked yesterday night, you would have confirmed it with me? Do you know that this morning, she said, hey Mama, I want to lead the prayers. And she started praying. Do you know, before we knew it, everywhere was filled with the Holy Spirit. God himself came down. The angels came down. Virgin Mary, oh God, the mother of all mothers came down. The whole room was hell.
Hey! Nedere, do you know your brain doesn't need clean to wash it? Simple words are okay to wash your brain. She prayed, God and angels came down. Prayer of a sinner. Yes. Hey, she prayed and you believed her. She's only fooling you. She's trying to make you understand that she's a good girl. Just wait until your son marries her. Then you will know what I'm saying. Didn't you see her fingernails?
I saw it all.
The hair she was putting on? The trousers she was putting on? So with all those things, you think she will make a good wife for you and your son? Look, Nedre, if you don't have the strength to throw that girl away, please permit me. Allow me to go and throw her out of your house.
No. It has not gotten to that now. No problem. If truly she is all this you have said, if she indeed she's a great snake in the green grass, one day she will manifest herself for my son to see. I've only done what a mother should do by giving him a motherly advice. The rest is left for my son. My friend, she's a good girl. If you accept and agree with me, she's nice.
Lala, you want to watch?
Yes, I want to wash Mama's clothes.
Let me make breakfast. I'll come and join you when I'm done.
Alright. Secondly, I want you to feel free. Whatever you want to do it. And anyone you don't want to do, don't even bother yourself doing it. Okay? Before I forget, you see this house, I want you to start living as if it's your home. Because soon it will be your home permanently. So you better start practicing.
That is it.
Do you know that at times I start thinking, I start being scared.
Why?
When I remember I will one day settle down to get married, I will just be thinking, what kind of mother-in-law will I meet? How will she treat me? Will she accept me? Will she show me love? Will she care for me? Or is it everyday fight thing? Honestly, it's a very big challenge to me, and the only thing I know is that it's only God that can help.
You know, there's this girlfriend I had then. She's always...
Wait, I need to sit down on that. You know, I like stories. I have to sit for this.
This is my girlfriend. She's always praying for her mother-in-law to die before they marry her.
God forbid.
I told her that's not good though. It's not good because if she keeps praying for her mother-in-law to die, that means she should also pray for her own mother to die because she has brothers.
Yes, now. That's how we should be. No, my mother will not die, God forbid. Yes, she will not die, and I will not be alive and use these bright eyes to watch her maltreat my brother's wife. She'll have to pet her.
I won't want anybody to maltreat me. I'm serious, I don't want anybody to maltreat me.
I'll put that one careful.
Please let me go and make breakfast.
You gotta wash your mama will come now.
I'm coming to join you.
Alright. Hey, get me pocket to the back.
I don't understand this menu. Eh?
Send picture, send bread, send yash. Which kind of rubbish? You don't feel like that's a person like this.
You be JJC. Now today they send yash, send picture for person.
I don't tire, I know they send again, I beg.
Your mouth are tight.
Today is that message. What is happening? What's up, girls? What is happening? I can see you are all happy, smiling. Baby Lako. Asadima. Eh? Where did you go now? My man is in town, so I have to go and see him. Spend some time with him. Yes, with him.
Wait, have fun now, babe. I'll follow you.
I don't understand. Why would you want to do this? That's why you dress like this. My parents like a bag. How can you talk like this? I don't know what they want. Leave that thing alone. I'm a wife material. One thing one day. I will package my thing. You know me say the guy is still in a busy marriage, right?
That your cousin. He didn't call me again. I thought you said it was going. He never called you. Huh? Oh, Mom. Don't worry yourself. I go tidy the matter. You know admin. You don't know everything. But wait, so this your movement are based on TDB.
I never know whether that's TDB or sharp. When I go there anyhow, when my baby I do my
Go come, look around. I will get ice cream. Just get us some today. Come. Don't come and say it. Here, come.
Soft walk, baby. Just they go like that. Today out. What is that shower walk, baby?
I think you see the boss now. I should fine like this. Today run this matter with us. You see me say, I said too white for money. She too like money.
Too like money. Even you said like money.
How pass my own? I didn't learn. I didn't learn for everything. So, come on. Show me the top people.
Baby, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to give you sorry. How are you?
Fine, just that you kept me waiting.
I am so sorry. It wasn't intentional. I know you missed me. That's why you wanted me to fly to this place.
If I don't miss you, who will I then miss?
It's alright. So how was your trip? How is your mother and everyone?
Everybody's fine now. It's just that there's a little problem.
A problem? Yes. What could that be?
Sweetie, could you imagine my mother telling me that I would never get married to any girl if she's not pregnant?
You won't get married to any girl if she's not pregnant?
I won't even engage her, let alone getting married to her. Just imagine that. The fact is that the whole thing is getting me crazy. I don't just know what to think right now.
This is ridiculous.
What do we do?
I should be the one asking you.
Hey, big guy like him, he's still saying that my mother told him, my mother told me. I don't get it. You've seen it now. Can you imagine? He even wants to settle me. Now tell me, what am I doing with his money? Eh? Hey. But I think you need that money. Yeah. You need it, of course. You need it. Not all relationship ends in marriage. All you need to go and collect that money. Use it and help yourself. Abi? Yes. My dear, the thing is, I was so angry with him. If you see the way his mother insulted me, hey! If you see the way this woman insulted me, ha! Adele. She insulted you. You kept quiet. What will I do? What will you do? If I were you, I will insult her back. If she can be pushing her son from one place to another, commanding him, that means he's not man enough to be your husband.
My dear, the thing is, I don't blame him. I don't blame them at all. If I had gotten married when I was 20 years, I would not be here discussing this with them now. The thing, I was so scared of marriage then. I was so scared.
My dear, those days are gone. Forget about those days. What you need to do now is go back and collect that money. God will give you husband when the time comes. Just that you need to work on your body so that you slim down small. Yeah. I think you are right. God is calm down, okay?
But Mama, do you mean what you just said? I should leave my wife with you?
Sam, what is difficult in what I have just said? You need to leave her with us for at least 2 weeks. Oh, sorry. Let me pity you. 1 week. So that she will stay with us and we will know her more, she will know us more, you know?
Hi, Mama. Mama, you're looking for something you will say that this girl did to you.
How?
Yes, because you know that she will not agree. Then you will tag her a bad girl because she did not agree to what you said.
There is no problem. If she doesn't agree, she can go back with you. I don't have any problem with that. She can go with you.
Mom, come on. No, it's okay now. Let's hear from her first. Mama.
Oh, baby.
Hi, sweetie.
Baby, you're back.
Yes, sweetie, come. Hey, how are you?
I'm fine.
I and my son were just discussing about both of you going back to the city this evening.
This evening?
Yes, sir.
Really? Baby, let's stay for a while now. I don't want to go yet.
Hey!
Are you serious? You still want to stay?
Yes, I still want to stay. Udoka is here, Mama is here. I'm enjoying myself. Let me stay more. I will come back later. I've not even gone to the stream.
Nepano.
Thank God though. Thank God. I was not the one that told her. Before you will say I bribed or I did one. Don't worry. You will stay with us for another 1 week. Then later he will come and pick you. I need to take you to where we eat bush meat and palm wine. Are you serious?
Mama. I don't get it. Did you plan this?
Holy Virgin Mary planned it.
Oh, it's okay.
Baby, have you eaten?
Not really. Did you have something from?
Why not?
She cooked. Delicious meal.
Come, let's go.
Hi.
Hey.
What kind of life is this? My mother is making things very difficult for me. Huh? And I like Rose. I like her. I mean, she's homely, she's hardworking, and she's on the plus size, which is my spec. Now her case is closed. Who else will I hook up with? Who? Ma. Yes, Ma. Yes, I just remembered. Ma, she's good. I mean, she's light-skinned. I mean, she's beautiful. I like her. I'm sure my mother will like her too. Yes! Perfect pick. I have to call her. Oh my God, but I've not called her in a long while. She'll chew me out. But I'll call her. I'll call her. This is my best chance. All right. Here we go.
Men can be funny, So this man is trying to tell me now that if you don't get pregnant, he's not going to get married to you?
I wonder. The most painful part of this thing is the fact that I wore this witchy wig to that place just to look responsible, just to look like a wife material. At the end, what's happened? At the same thing. But what do you expect me to tell him? I accepted. Yes, I told him, yes, I am game. The fact is, I won't be the one to impregnate myself.
Wait.
Do you understand? You should come and get me pregnant.
I don't get this. You mean that guy told you if he's not going to marry you, you wouldn't take it for him? Exactly. So wait, won't he do everything his mother asked him to do? I'm not your guy now, like burial. I hate guys like that, I swear.
But babes, if I'm the one, if you should ask me, I'll tell you. I'll do exactly what he wants me to do. But not after I take him. He will now come and dump me for one ass bitch.
Babe, no talk him. Even try, I might go scatter him body with bottle. He make Chris. Who born him? He dare not.
I trust you.
Let me tell you, this guy's problem is his mother. His mother is very difficult.
Are you sure that not from that the kind of job that we do? Maybe he's just using all that to cover up? Because from the look of things, I'm sure his mother may not have told him something like that.
Who cares? I don't give a hoot who told him or who didn't tell him. Yes, if it's what he wants, I will give it to him. What I will do is, I will go and arrange this. Arrange this, my sexy ass. I will prepare. I go in house. We go knock him back. We go knock him front, knock him back, knock him side. If I carry belly, I go tell people. If I no carry, I go theater my hair, I go carry a before. I no kill myself, now I go do.
I'm 3 plays.
Correct girl. But once I carry belly, I go no say I don't win.
I will tell you.
And I will come by a share.
So I go leave us for Mr. Show.
And I'll come by a share now.
What is keeping this girl now? What is keeping this girl? Every time she don't like doing things the way it's supposed to be. I don't like the way she used to do things.
No.
Good evening, ma.
Nne, how are you?
Hi. Are you?
I'm okay, dear. Who are you?
My name is Glory.
Ah, Glory. Your face is strange. Are you from this village?
No. I'm the one teaching the choir and preparing them for the competition at Ajali.
Oh, so you are the one?
Yes, ma'am.
I heard about the competition. That is wonderful. You are doing well, oh.
Thank you.
Hey, please try for us, oh. Okay. Try to make them win.
I will try.
Please, oh.
Yes,
beautiful girl. So beautiful.
I have to go now. I've been waiting for Ifeanyi. I don't know what is keeping her. So I have to be going now, ma. Take good care of yourself.
All right.
Bye-bye, ma.
Bye-bye.
Mama, bye-bye.
Oh, bye-bye. One-legged woman. Hey! Is this what I want to get for my son for a while? Hey! Now there's a virgin. Mother Mary. Eh?
Mama chọba ya, nne m chọrọ nwaanyị dị nsọ. Mama chọba ya, nne m chọrọ nwaanyị.
Look at you. Baby, I'm so sorry for keeping you waiting.
It's fine.
Oh, so good to see you.
Yeah.
You're always shining.
Please don't flatter me.
No, it's not. It's true, baby. It's
You
true.
have forgot me since. I'm surprised you even called me.
Well, the truth is this, baby. Look, you know how busy a man can get. You know, we're hustling. But what about you? If I forgot to check on you, why wouldn't you check on me? Come on.
Why would I do that? Tell me, why would I do that?
Because you
left
miss
me. No, you left me. You left me. You want me to come to your house and start fighting all with your plenty girlfriends? No way.
Baby, look, it's nothing, alright? That's like the past, okay? So this is the new me, alright? And we can start afresh, baby. I've missed you. Let's just go to the house and talk. You know how we start.
Hi. Thank you, my dear. How are you?
Hello.
What of your children?
Sit down. They went to see Sam off. They will soon be back.
So Sam has gone already?
He just left a few minutes ago. If he had come earlier, you would have met him.
Yeah.
Bulldog and my wife, they will soon come back.
Who? Wait, Nedere.
Huh?
So you like this girl to the extent you don't want her to go with her husband?
My dear, Nidi, I cannot even tell what happened. Do you know that I was talking to Sam to leave this girl? Let me examine her. Let me watch her a little. Because when I have something, I will know what to say. From nowhere, the girl just came. Wah! She landed. He said, hey, Mama, I don't want to go. I like this village. I'm in love with everything. I'm enjoying your company. I like your food. I want to go to farm. My sister. Hey! I was like, what kind of girl is this? I just knew it was our Holy Virgin Mary that arranged this girl for me. My dear, this is the kind of daughter-in-law we should be praying for our sons to marry.
You should be praying for your son to marry. Please, not me. I am not included. Hey, Nedere, be very careful, oh. You know all these city girls, they can be dangerous. They can kill. Maybe this girl decided to sit back just to kill you.
God forbid. How can you think such about my daughter-in-law now? Pico, she's not that bad. Please, let's change topic. Say something else.
Ma, baby, I missed you. I missed you, baby. I missed you so much.
Good, Joe. You know me. You miss me and you not call me since, You're calling me now that all your girlfriends have left you.
Oh, don't say that now. You know me, baby. And you're stubborn. Okay, if I didn't call, why didn't you just call? It's not fair.
And you know the man, you're not one that's supposed to call me.
Rose.
No wonder.
What are you doing here? Why did you come back?
Baby, who is she?
She?
Now you don't know me. Nne, don't worry. I'm no longer a threat to you. Nah, I'm here for the money. I've changed my mind.
You should have said so. Here's the check. You can have it.
That's good. Let me not disobey your woman. Nne, don't worry. You will see when this cord is broken. Okay? Have fun. Enjoy yourself.
What is going on here? I don't understand. Who is she? What is going on here?
Look, I bought something from her, okay? And since then, she's been bugging me. I told her I didn't have cash there. Let me, get her a check. And when I went to the shop, look, she's gone, all right? She's not even supposed to be here. All right, baby? Don't let her spoil our moment. She's not a problem. Gone, baby. Gone. Baby. Oh, tomato. My baby. Oh.
I've been offered admission.
What?
You can see yourself.
Hey! Huh? This is very good news that we have been expecting. Yes. Oh, I'm so happy for you, my daughter.
Thank
hey! University, here you come.
Yes,
huh?
Papa, let me go and call my sister and tell her that I've been offered admission in university. I can't wait to start school. Okay,
go in there Use that phone inside there.
Okay.
Call her. Tell her that good things has happened.
Okay.
Yes, oh, wonderful.
So, if I don't get pregnant for you, you won't marry me, right?
It's not that. Listen, I don't mean to get you upset, okay? But it's just that I don't want my mother to get angry.
Really? Chidi, I remember vividly you told me when we newly met that if any girl gets pregnant for you before marriage, that you would dump her ass. That was what you told me.
That was because I don't know you too well.
So what is the guarantee you'll get married to me after I've gotten pregnant for you?
Listen, just take me by my word, okay? Let's just give this thing a try.
The truth is, I don't like abortion. It's against my wellness guide.
I am giving you my word, like I said before. Let's just try it.
Hold on, someone is calling me. My phone is beeping. Hello, Ebere. How are you? Are you serious? You made your jam? Oh, that's so good to know. It's a great news. I'm so proud of you. I'm happy for you. Don't worry. Just tell Papa not to worry. I'll take care of it. God will provide. Alright. Bye. Sorry about that. So tell me, are you sure you'll get married to me?
Sure.
Onye bụ nwaanyị dị nsọ, mama chọba ya, nne m chọrọ nwaanyị dị nsọ, mama chọba ya, nne m chọrọ nwaanyị na-ekpeta pleti yo, mama chọba ya, nne m chọrọ nwaanyị na-aga morning mass, mama chọba ya, nne m chọrọ nwaanyị dị nsọ, mama chọba ya, kedu onye makwanụ nwaanyị.
Mama, good day.
Good afternoon, Oge. How are you?
I'm fine. Our wife. You're going to the farm?
Yes, now.
Yeah. I hope you know how to cultivate, so you have to farm.
Oh, wow. Okay, you have to follow us to confirm that for yourself.
It's written all over. I know you'll be good. Ne, what about Udoka?
Udoka is she's cooking, but she will join us later. How is your mother? Tell her we'll come later, okay. When we are done from the farm.
Okay.
Later,
Mama, if you say how happy I am that I'm going to the farm with you, it's been a long time I visited the farm.
My dear, I am the happiest person. I never believed that a beautiful girl like you would agree to follow me to the farm. Farm! Hey!
Mama, am I not a human being again?
Let's go.
Mama chobaya, amoni bakaega foya, Mama chobaya, amoni molo kakaega foya, Mama chobaya, amoni mohia bebaega foya, Mama chobaya.
Baby, like us. Baby, you not come back.
Baby, I'm tired.
Yes,
hi. You know you weren't around when I was leaving.
Yeah, that's
I went to see Alhaji. I don't tire, babe.
What happened now, No, you have to leave with
My husband. Yes, now. Babe, I don't knock am front, left, back. Hey. I am tired already.
No.
I thought they said if we don't get pregnant, they won't get married to us. Was that not what they said?
That's what they said now.
I'll wait till I get pregnant now. For the meantime, I have to enjoy my life. Immediately I came back from his house, I had to go to Alhaji's place because I'm bored, I am tired. I need money, I need drink. Now I go there, go live my life, smoke shisha, drink, do another fuck, join them.
Oh wait though, maybe the baby no come resemble Alhaji and
your No. Me and Alhaji know they do raw, you should know. Na Instagram.
Instagram.
Okay, so you want to send it to that your guy in Chinko? Add me now, maybe one of his friends.
Gonna like a 6 ton.
It doesn't matter.
Mama, I told you that this is very heavy. Now I'm having headache.
Okay, Chuku. You are complaining too much. No problem. If you like to use cup to fetch water, no problem. Use cup and go to the stream. Please, take your phone and call your brother. I want to make sure that that Akbaja girl he brought home is no more in his house.
I am not calling anybody. Mama, stop this thing that you're doing now. Okay, see, you want to call brother. What if you call brother and he tells you that she's no longer in his house while she is still in his house? What will you do then?
Ah, but brother can never lie to me. He dare not try it. I know his house. In fact, tomorrow I will be there. Yes, I will go to the city and make sure that that girl is no more there. I will personally throw her out of that house if she's still there.
Mama, this thing you're doing is no good. It's unfair. Stop it. Okay, this was how you were chasing Samson's wife to be. Now she's the best wife on earth. She's the one following Samson's mother to the farm.
Wait, that girl is going to the farm with Inedri.
Honestly.
Is that how far that girl can go pretending?
Mama, she is not pretending. She is a good wife. Look into her eyes. You will know that she's a good person.
Hi. Nedri, you are gone. Hey! That is problem, oh. That girl is taking Nedri to the farm to kill her. Mama, I hope Udoka is with them.
Udoka is cooking in the house. She will later go and join them in the farm.
Hi! Nedri is gone. Nedri is gone. Hey! Before Udoka could reach there, that woman must be dead. Please, go and get me phone. Let me call your brother now.
I'm not calling anybody.
Baby, I never believed a day like this would come between us.
Me too. I've come to realize that things don't happen the way you always plan. Yeah. I can't wait to take you to my mom. She would be so excited. She will love you.
I can't wait to meet your people too. I can't wait.
Baby, there's something we need to do. My mother will say no if she realizes that you're not a Catholic. So I want you to tell her that you're a Catholic. Okay?
But baby, why is your mom like that?
I don't know, baby. But I have decided to play a smart one on her. Okay? Look, we're just going to see her. Just pretend you're a Catholic. And the next day we're gone. She's not going to come and live in this house with us. Okay? You're not going to wear a trouser. You put on a skirt. You dress decently. And then you put on a light makeup. No makeup if possible. Okay? Please.
No, baby, that's not good. That's like living a lie.
Baby, please. Please. Okay? I know my mom. If she realizes you're no Catholic, she will say no.
What if your mom insists I stay with her a day or two? What are you going to do?
I'll tell her you're a banker. Your job doesn't give you the chance. Okay? Trust me, everything will be fine. Just follow my lead. Hold on. Hold on. Hello? Mama? I'm fine, Mama. How are you? No, Mama. Mama, I'm here with my fiance. Yeah. Yes. You want to speak to her? Okay, hold on, Mama.
How are you? What a sweet voice. What is your name? Your name is sweet. I hope you're taking good care of my son there. What church do you attend?
Mama, even on the phone?
Catholic. Oh, thank God. Please give back the phone to my son. Now. Nah. I've heard from her. Her voice is so sweet. Till you come home first. I'll be waiting for your coming. It's alright.
Mama, even on phone you want to know her church? Eh? You didn't ask her catechism.
Do you think I'm a fool? No, now. I can't ask her. If I ask her catechism, she might have catechism book by her side. So if I ask her, she'll be reading it. Not answering it, but reading it for me. So I can't ask her that. At least I'm happy that there's one thing about her I like. Her voice. For now. So
Thank God you like one thing at that time. Mama, you better accept this one. So that brother will rest for you. Because before you know it, brother will bring 100 girls in this place and you end up not choosing anyone.
My friend can sit down. What of the man that is seeking your hand in marriage when is he coming for every other thing?
I don't know. You better don't do the same thing to me, because if you try it, I will run and go and marry the boss without any payment, no bride price.
For where? I say, try me now.
Odogu, the big boy. You're looking good. Udobashi. Look at me. Man, I'm so happy to see you, man. Agu Khadija. Hold on. In the shop. You're your hustler.
My mom told me that you came.
Oh, yes.
I said I will call your line, but you know what's up now.
I know.
You see, you working.
I say hustler.
Sorry I couldn't call, my bad.
Nah, it's nothing, man. I heard you came to the village with your fiancé.
Oh, yes. She's still at the village with my mother.
Really?
I'll go and pick her up maybe by next week.
Wow. You are enjoying. My mother has been tormenting my life. She has made my existence a living hell. Honestly, you will not believe that I took Rose to the village to introduce her to my mother as my wife-to-be, my fiancé. You know what she did? She insulted Rose blue black, and we had to leave that day. We left the village.
Now wow. Now wow.
Huh?
Now wow. Same story all the time.
You know my mother. She's the same yesterday,
wow.
Today, and always.
Let me tell you. You know that I went to the village to see my mother, my baby. When we got to the village, my mother wanted to try singing. But you know me now.
What did you do?
I stood on my ground and told her no. I did it. And you know what?
What?
You do get it. I don't know where she borrowed it from or anything, but it will not work for me. And the lady is very, 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 very cool. Even up to date.
Your mother and your fiancé are cool?
Yes, they are cool. My fiancé is still at the village. I told you now, that you're a man. Always stand on your ground and tell your mother what you want. It's your marriage and not hers. No, I don't understand. Let me tell you, if you continue like this, you end up not getting married.
Ah, God forbid.
You end up being a single man.
No. That's not the
And
case
it's very
right
bad.
now. Sammy, I've reconnected with Umma. As we speak right now, she's chilling in my house. I actually came to buy her this takeaway.
Wow.
Yeah, she has already spoken to my mom over the phone. You know, they like each other. You know, my mom likes her somehow. I'm not sure, just somehow. I know my mother, she's unpredictable. So I'm taking her to the village next week to introduce her formally to my mom. Let's see how it goes.
Well,
let's see what happens.
Good. We all love our mothers.
I love my mom.
I love my mom. But not when it comes to sensitive matters like this.
Sammy, don't worry, man. There's a lot we need to talk about on this topic. I know you're here for some fresh pan wine. We have a lot to talk about.
Let's go now. Gaga.
Honest.
Mgbata nwanyị nke dị ọcha nne m ajụ. Mgbata nwanyị nke dị oji nne m akọwa ọnụ. Mgbata nwanyị nke buru ibu nne m eshiba ọnwụ. Mgbata nwanyị nke dị geregere nne m abama mbata. Okorobịa toruo mgbe ya o mere mgbe ya okorobịa toru ịlụ nwanyị ọ lụrụ nwunye ya ọ bụ nne ya onye ga-akpọnye ya nwanyị ọ ga-alụ. Onye bụ nwanyị dị nsọ.
Mama, please, I'm tired. I'm tired. Let's go home. I want to use this last strength in me to walk home. Let's pack and go home.
Mama, I'm tired too.
Both of you can go. When I finish, I will come back.
We can go now. Tomorrow we'll come back and finish up. It's remaining small before 1 week we are done.
No, Marino. You will not come back to this farm again. Why? I don't. You will not come back. Just stand up. Let's go home.
Hey, Udoka. I did not know you with this car. Anyway, don't bother. The most important thing is that I now know who you are. And I'm happy that my son is getting married to a hard-working lady. That is my joy. So if you can go, I will finish the work. And once in a while, you can come back to the village, do cassava and collect Gary, so that you won't leave your phone.
Mama, you're saying once in a while. Me, I'm living with Gary now. If I'm going back to the city, I'm going back with Gary. Please.
God bless you. Don't worry. If I'm coming back, I will get some cassava so that we will start it. So that before you go, you have enough Gary to go home.
Hey, Mama, will you bring it as you're coming home?
No, carry it and go. I'm okay. Carry and go. Please, you people should try and eat something. Carry and go.
You're so much.
Make sure you eat, so make food and eat.
Easy. Okay,
Mama.
Mama.
See you later.
When I carry come, Mama Kwechiri. Woman, Mama Koya Baja. If I caress me woman, Mama Koya Korobo.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Ma. Thank you. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Thank you.
Mama, I can see you're happy.
I'm happy. You're welcome. Welcome, you know. Hey. Welcome,
Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, I like her. Thank you.
Okay, welcome.
Let's go, Mama.
Hey, welcome.
Nne, you said you are from Ogwash.
Yes, ma.
And you are a Catholic.
Yes, ma.
But Mama, I thought you've asked her this on the phone.
I wonder. Only God will save us today.
Both of you, shh. Shut up. Nne, I have a tradition. I want my son to marry a Catholic. And I thank God you are a Catholic. But you are too tall and too fair for my liking.
Mama, it's not my fault. It's not my fault. God Almighty created me like this.
Yeah. God created you like this?
Yeah.
What of the tattoo on your hand like a harlot? The chains on your leg like a dog? What of the earrings you put on your ears like a slave?
Excuse me.
Are they the way God created you also?
Mama, please, don't start. Please.
But that is by the way. So, how often do you pray and how often do you go to church?
Mama, I go to church every Sunday and I pray every morning before leaving my house.
No. If my son marries you, that means you'll be praying every morning and night. My son have to marry someone that can pray for at least 2 hours non-stop. So I don't think if this can work.
Mama, why are you trying to stir up trouble? That's not why we came to see you. Huh?
What is penance?
Yeah.
Mama, my fiancé actually brought me here so I could meet you and you meet me. You know, no one told me I was coming for question and answer.
Oh yes. Else there'll be no marriage.
Excuse me?
Yes. You must go through this process. If not, there'll be no marriage. My son cannot marry someone who doesn't take things of God seriously. So, where is your chaplet?
Come on, Mama. Why are you trying to stir up trouble?
Baby, is this why you brought me here?
No.
Really? Seriously?
No.
You know now.
Calm down.
I can't do it, honestly. Just tell me that it's what I'm thinking.
Why are you in a hurry? It's not what you're thinking. Which day we do the thing? That's why they enter. Here.
You know I can't wait. I just wish it's happening now. You understand?
Don't worry, it will happen.
Okay, meanwhile, we'll be going to see my mother. She demands to see you.
Seriously?
Yes. We'll be going to Ogun State where she stays.
Okay, so when?
Let's say by next week.
I'm free. Anytime, any day. I'm ready.
You know, she can't wait to see her beautiful daughter-in-law.
Please don't just flatter me. I'm not ready for that.
Where are you girls heading?
True. You are
Which of your man can carry you come here?
I say no be
which
customer keep you for this place.
See, now that guy will say one marry me, now be
Okay, now.
The juice.
You don't want to patronize us, eh?
No, we don't want juice.
Okay, take care. Alright. You too. And then the brother.
Honey?
Well, the girls and what business are they talking about?
I don't even know them. They say they are promoting this juice called Zaza juice. And I was trying to tell them that we haven't had it before, but probably next time we'll give it a try.
They're promoters?
Yes, they are. Yes. So honey, when are we going to see your mother? I hope she will treat me nicely.
Oh.
I hope she's not harsh.
More. I'm just a replica of my mother.
Really?
Yes.
I can't wait to see her.
Definitely.
I can't see my mother-in-law.
And she can as well wait to see you.
Enough of this. Enough of this.
Take her out of this house. Take her out of this house. She can never be my daughter-in-law. Never.
Mama, this has to stop.
Mama, why are you doing this to me? Huh? What do you want me to do?
Baby,
Take me out of here. You engaged me, so you will marry me. You must.
But that is true. You will marry her. Mama, stop this thing, oh!
We shall sit down.
Baby, calm down. We need to settle this.
Settle what? Wait, what do you want to settle? There's nothing to settle here. If you take her to the city and keep her in your house, I will definitely come there and throw her out of your house. As if you don't know me. Huh?
Okay.
Alright. Get out! Get away! You want to marry me? You don't know me. You must be here. You will not try. Mama, you will not try. Oh, gosh. I will slap you.
Mama, when you go back, take care of my daughter. I don't want to hear stories. So,
Thank you for everything. I'm missing the village already. I wish I'm just here. Don't worry, I'll come back without him. I'll come and stay with you.
You are welcome. The house will be for you.
I should bring you better because I'm already missing you people. I feel like crying. I should come back and you carry your gari. Remember?
Very soon. Very soon.
That's what he wants to wait. You are.
It's already our wife. Ngwano. Oh, step down, you.
Alright. Alright, Mom.
Sam, drive safely.
Mama,
Bye bye.
All right. Amen. Amen.
Beautiful, Nna. She's sweet. Honestly. And I feel like believing that my mother was right when she insisted she would get me a wife.
I'm so happy for you, brother. So happy.
Thank you.
Now, the war has ended.
It is all over. There is peace now, brother.
Well, it's good that you like the babe.
Like? I love the girl. I cherish her. I adore her. Honestly, I feel blessed. I'm happy. God has blessed me marvelously. Huh? Ojogu?
Well, I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
Go home and enjoy your babe.